Well, a lot of people are now turning from what they really want with Terra Classic. Remember earlier, so many people, so many Terra Classic holders have been hoping for 1 cent. But right now, that prediction has really changed. That hope has really changed. What people are mostly waiting for right now to see, because someone did a survey and was asking, okay, right now that the Terra Classic, based on what happened last time, and some people that are still holding trusted on this coin, what is the percentage what's the percentage that you particularly want to see Terra Classic reach? You know, there was 100%, then 500%, 100 to 500%, then 500 to 1000%, 1000 to 10,000%, and 10,000 to 100,000%. You know what? I thought a lot of people will be choosing 100,000%, 10,000 to 100,000%, because everybody needs money. But right now, people have not understand that, look, it's not going to work that way. Because most time when you see people commenting on different crypto coins they invested, they will tell you, I'm waiting when this coin will reach $1. They will tell you, yes, the coin will reach $1. Coin that is trading with about 0.000000. They will tell you, yes, the coin will reach $1 very soon. It doesn't work this way. But I'm surprised to see on Terra Classic, a lot of people were going for 100 to 500%, because they know that this is the highest. If Terra Classic to revive and so many things happen, so many positive things happen to Terra Classic, right now it might be hitting toward 100 to 500%, but it's definitely going to take time. So I was expecting some people to say 1,000 or 1,000%, 1,000 to 10,000%, but most of the votes was going for 100 to 500. What it means, this is telling you that people are looking for a way to recover their money or make just little profit and then they will get away. Okay, this is what it means. People are looking for one way to just recover or one way to just make few profit with Terra Classic, because they know it will be difficult. So right now, I still hope anything is possible with Terra Classic, but at least people are understanding. That's why I need to also tell people that crypto industry is different from what people normally think. So if you are investing in crypto industry, please remember this. Crypto industry is not an industry that you just put in money today, the next day you become a multi-millionaire. A lot have changed in crypto industry. Patience is very important, and calculate the amount of profit you really want to make. You must not invest $100 to withdraw $100,000 within 6 months or 1 year. At least invest $100 to double that amount, and 50%, 100%, 500%, maximum 1000% if you're a long-time investor. It's good. So this thing I've really, a lot of people have lost a lot of money because they invested in a particular coin. That coin is pumping, making money, they don't want to withdraw. Okay, they still want to make more. Sometimes you need to withdraw a certain amount of money with a profit, then continue with the remaining one. That is how you make money in trading. Okay, that's how you definitely make money in trading. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.